Is she okay?
I'm not sure.
Unhand my granny.
You do, and you don't get a tip.
Making this beautiful happy is all the payment I need.
You see? Hunky Bunny gets it.
Granny?
There's a bunny living in the asteroid? Did not see that coming.
Wait till you see this.
Oh! Yeah! Catching mad air on the half pipe.
This is crazy.
Do you think they know they're living in a magnetic bullseye?
Doesn't look like a lot of doomsday prepping going on in here.
I can't believe it! Visitors! We've never had visitors! Somebody pinch me! Or should I pinch you? Wait, I'll pinch both of us.
Did I hit my head? What's happening here?
I sure hope this isn't a... dream.
This guy?
For real? Whatever.
Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Well, hello, handsome. I'm Brooke. Ooh, such exquisite bone structure. Such a strong jaw. I'm getting butterflies.
I'm getting nauseous.
Sorry to interrupt this weirdo love connection, but we're kind of in a hurry.
If we don't do something fast, that asteroid is gonna blow us all to smithereens.
Oh, that sounds urgent. I'd better take you to him.
Who's him? Your leader?
He is our everything. He sees all. He knows all.
And smells amazing!
Okay, he sounds great. Let's go.
Brilliant. Right this way.
Yes!
Please keep your arms and legs inside the tram at all times, but allow your spirit to roam free in Geotopia. Oh, I have a good feeling about this. Maybe he'll be able to help us.
She did say he knows all, and all's a lot.
Here he is, the master of meditation, the supreme serene, the four-time heavy thoughts champion of the world!
Is that a... I hate... They spit and smell.
So does she.
So do we!
Greetings, mammals. The Shangri-Lama will see you now.
Oh, wonderful. So where is he?
He is here, talking to you. Oh, I get it. He's a ventriloquist and you're the dummy.
No, you're the dummy.
No, you're the dummy.
No, you're the dummy.
This is the guy who's gonna save us.
Look within, you're the dummy.
Disgusting! Loved that. New topic, we're all about to die.
Well, that's no good. Stress is a killer.
Let us loosen our limbs and open our minds. Downward dog!
Seriously?
I'll wait. I have all the time in the world.
Actually, you don't have all the time in the world. None of us do. You see, there's this thing in the sky.
Oh, that blinding light that seems to get larger by the minute? What about it? It seems fine to me.
With all due respect, your twistiness, that's an asteroid. It's magnetically attracted to this place, and it's heading straight for us.
Ah, it must desire our magnetic crystals. Well, who can blame it? They're really quite something. Did you know their power grants eternal youth? I am over 400 years old. Mm-hmm.
That's not possible.
Sure it is. I'm 326. Woo!
You don't look a day over 275.
We are young, happy, and safe, and we always will be. Thanks to Geotopia.
Kudos. It is lovely. Now let's figure out a way to launch it into space.
I'm sorry, you want to destroy our home?
It'll be destroyed either way. But if we propel this magnetic material into the atmosphere, we can change the asteroid's path and save everyone. What do you say?
Caterpillar!
So, is that a yes or...
Oh, you are storing a lot of hostility in your lower spine.
Shangri-Lama, how are we going to launch?
Funky chicken, jiggy jelly, mashed potato!
Your flexibility is a sight to behold. Now how the devil are we going to launch these crystals?
You can't. It's impossible. Whew, I am bushed. Awesome meeting you guys. Feel free to hang or, whatever.
That's it. He was our last hope. We're doomed.
Yeah, all we got was a free yoga class.
On that subject, could you help me, please? My nose is dangerously close to my butt.
Sid, why do you have two tails?
I'm in here too.
Don't cry. Look on the bright side. We get to see our lives flash before our eyes. That means I get to fall in love with you all over again.
Only you could make the end of the world sound like a good thing.
We did a good job raising her. She's stronger than we know.
2 days ago, I'd have given anything to keep her with us. Now I'd give anything just to see her get married and leave home.
Play with her kids, dance with her husband.
Yell at him when he forgets their anniversary.
It was a good one, wasn't it? Our life. You, me, and Peaches.
The best.